Hey, it's Scott with SpringHillFox.com. Today let's talk Canva. Are you ready to take your design skills to the next level? Introducing Canva, the ultimate tool for creating stunning designs in minutes. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, Canva has got you covered. Let's get started with the basics. First, sign up for a free account on the Canva website or download the app on your mobile device. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with a wide array of design options. From social media posts to business cards and presentations, Canva has templates for every occasion. If you're feeling adventurous, you can also start from scratch and let your creativity run wild. Next, let's explore the features of Canva's editor. Drag and drop elements, like text, images, and shapes, onto your canvas to create the perfect layout. Customize the color, font, and size of your text to make it stand out. Want to add some pizzazz to your design? Canva's library of stickers, icons, and illustrations is at your disposal. Don't forget to explore the millions of high-quality images available for you to use. Once you're satisfied with your design, you can easily download it or share it directly to your social media accounts. And the best part, Canva also offers a collaboration feature, so you can work with your team members in real time. With Canva, the possibilities are endless. So, why wait? Start designing like a pro today. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and inspiration.